Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video I can make a factory data reset with the Xiaomi Mi 9T and 9T Pro. So first of all, let me tell you, if you want to resell the phone or if you want to give it to someone else in general, you should off the Find My Device at the settings. I will show you down in the description how you can do that. But if you just want to make a reset in general, if the phone doesn't work really, then just follow from now on. So, okay, first of all, turn off your device, and if it's completely off, we need the power button and the volume up button. So, and press these both buttons now for the same time and hold it and hold it and hold it. Now you can leave it, and we are in that nice menu here. So you cannot work with your finger here. This works just, so you can just navigate with the volume keys and the power button for confirming. So now we go down with the volume down key to wipe data. So and then to confirm, use the power button, press it, and now he's asking if we're really sure what you want to do there. And yes, we want to wipe all data. So confirm again with the power button. So then he's asking if you're really sure what you're doing there. Yes, we are. So just go down with the volume down key and confirm. And now the phone is deleting your data, and you can see here that little countdown. It will format the phone now. So now we are ready with go back to main menu, confirm with the power button. So now go just on reboot here, confirm again with the power button, and reboot the system, confirm again. And that part will take the most time now, so it's absolutely normal. So if it takes a few minutes, don't become nervous and so on. And after you start completely brand new, then you have to enter the Google stuff and so on and so on. And yeah, as you have bought a brand new, as I said. Okay, yeah, that's it. Pretty easy as you see. And yeah, hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some type. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested, and maybe just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe at the next time. Ciao.